Hello, Kenders. Today's spelling paper is going to be about vowel sounds. So before we start our paper, let's go ahead and review our vowel sounds. So I pulled out the phonograms of our vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. So we're going to talk about those 5 vowels today. So we are going to color by short vowel sounds. So what is short vowel sound? The short vowel sound is the first sound that you say when you say our phonograms. A. So the short sound is a for A. So short A is going to be orange. So go ahead and take your orange crayon and we're going to go ahead and mark our color code up here so that we remember. Short A is orange. The short E is gray. Now, if you don't have gray, you can use black and just color lightly. And that's what I'm going to do. I have a black and I'll just color lightly. And that can be my gray. So the short sound is going to be I. So you're listening for the I. It looks like it's going to be pink. Look at your pink. Color in so that you can say it's pink. Next is going to be the O, the short O, which is ah, because the first sound we say is ah, and it's brown. So go ahead and take your brown crayon and color in the word brown so that we know that the short O is brown. And short U. So what's the first sound when you say this phonogram is and that is going to be yellow. Go ahead and take our yellow one. Now for the last one, it says the long vowels are green. So long vowels are the names of our vowels, A, E, I, O, U. When they say their name, that's called the long vowel, or it's the second sound as well. So A, E, I, O, U. If you hear that, you are going to be using green to color. So you can put green there. Okay, so I think you can all see that there's going to be animals that we're going to be coloring here. So let's start over here with the cat. And I noticed when I was working on this that there's a little bit of a clue for each of these. Cat. What is the sound? What is the middle sound of cat? It's the A sound, which is the short A. So go ahead and take your orange. Man, bat, sap, vat, flat, can, rat. So we have lots of short A. Now, I'm not going to do the whole paper with you. I'll just do part of it. But we know, and I'll just help by coloring the face of the cat. And then you can finish at, and, ant, app. So you can finish coloring, and there's some more that you can see for that. Let's go on to the short O. The short O, remember, is ah, dog. Do you see the dog? How about og? So you can take your brown, and it looks like we're going to be coloring the og, the dog. How about on, saw? You're listening for the rock, op, cop. As you're coloring, make sure you're reading the words. Rot. You're going to color it top. Okay, there's more. As you can see the rest of the dog. Saak, ta'on, pa'at, fa'og. You're looking for the ah sound, and you're going to color it black. All right, let's go over here. I think I see a duck. So let's go short U, yellow. So take your yellow. Sun. Sun. Punt. How about luck? run, cut, rut, up, fun, bump, luck. So you're going to be coloring that all yellow because the short U is yellow. Let's go over here to the pig. Pig, short I, pink. Sit, drip, it, pin, fit, wig, big. This isn't all of them. Remember, there's more. The rest of the pig, sip, clip. You can that you're looking for the I sound is going to be pink. And let's go to the hen. Short E is gray, and I have a black, so I'll just color it lightly. Bed. And den. Net. Nest. You're listening for the that's the short sound. You can finish the hen as well. Okay, so after you're done, and you're colored in your animals, then we have the long vowels. They're going to be green. So then you're going to take your green. Now, the long vowels, remember, they say their name. So let's look at this one. Eat, E. Uh-oh, it says E. That's a long vowel. Coat, O. That's a long vowel, says O. Okay, here's one with an E on the end. E jumps over and lets the A say A. Bail. Bail. It says A. So you're going to color it green. So all of those ones that have the long sound, which is saying their name, they're all going to be green. Fate. The E's on the end. Let the A say A. You're going to go and color it green. Cone. You're going to color it green. You're going to go through and color green all the long vowels. And after you are done, you will have a beautiful picture. And if you're done, you can take a picture and send it so that I can see it. So I hope you have fun with that. Take your time. If you do not want to do it all in one setting, that's okay. But it should be a beautiful picture. So enjoy your vowel sound.